cool shots as we can. Just powering up. Alright, the first spot we went to, we couldn't see anything because we're too far away from any of the statues. As long as the boat goes the right direction and we don't get anything tangled in the motor, I think we'll be good. The guy didn't stop us over the underwater museum, so now we're stuck. This guy's coming close on the boat. I think he's giving him drinks or something. Alright, so we only have 40 minutes at this spot, and we had to wait for a little bit because another boat came and they needed to give them some Coronas. So here we are. The greatest charter. Alright, the Coronas have been given to the other boat, and now we are officially on top of the museum. How much time do we have here? We have 15 minutes at this spot, and we have 20 at the next, so we had a bit of an issue yesterday with the boat. You saw the, you know, the one like sharing Coronas with people. The thing was called, if you're in Cancun, definitely stay at the Marriott Cancun. Definitely do not do, it costs tons of money and they don't give you very much time out there. So today we decided we need to get out there. We have one more day. We thought it would be the safest if we went with Nemo. So we found him. Right here. Yeah, that's the best joke I've got this early. I'm pretty tired. Starting out a little bit better than yesterday, but still, I don't know that we're ever meant to actually get to this underwater museum. Now we've got the Coast Guard, police, they're after us.
That's not good.
Yeah, this is trouble. I'm just gonna, if anything else happens, I'm just gonna jump overboard and swim back to shore.
Gracias, amigos.
All right, good news, guys. The police are going that way. We are not going back right now. We're going out to the actual museum.